Hey everyone, welcome to the final Monday Minute of 2020. What a year it has been. The year of the crisis. But here's what I know about a crisis. It is the great reveal. It reveals what's already on the inside, whether that's strengths or weaknesses, whether it's at the individual level or the organizational level. And for SCAS, it's no different. It's revealed some areas where we are incredibly strong and we will continue to capitalize on those strengths and improve them. But it's also identified some areas where we need to pay more attention, where we need to do a better job. You see, you really can't assess the quality of a ship's crew when the ship is sailing in smooth waters. You just can't. You have to take that ship and put it into rough waters, and then, and only then, will you be able to assess the quality of the crew. And so it's been my honor to be part of the UB and the SCAS crew as our ships have been sailing in these rough waters. And I am convinced that as we turn a new year, we will continue together to capitalize on our strengths and address and improve our weaknesses. So this holiday season, I hope it brings everyone joy and laughter and peace. Together, let's continue to learn in today to improve our tomorrow. Happy New Year, everyone. We'll see you soon.